Wireless remote start plus quiet power. Champion 11,000, what changes the game? Ever felt stuck during a blackout, fumbling with cords, or struggling to start a noisy generator? Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. The Champion 11,000 watt wireless remote start generator makes those stressful moments vanish. With wireless remote control up to 80 feet away and CO Shield safety, it's not just a generator, it's peace of mind for your home. Deadlines, family responsibilities, and household chores don't stop when the power goes out. Keeping your fridge cold, charging devices, or running essential appliances can feel overwhelming, especially with a traditional loud generator. Imagine regaining control, staying safe, and maintaining comfort, all without the hassle or noise. Champion 11,000, what makes powering your home effortless and worry-free? Meet the Champion 11,000 watt wireless remote start generator, a true breakthrough for home backup and heavy-duty use. Delivering 11,000 starting watts and 9,000 running watts, it powers major appliances like refrigerators, HVAC units, and freezers with ease. The included wireless remote allows you to start or stop it from inside your home, keeping you warm, dry, and safe during storms. CO Shield technology automatically shuts down the generator if dangerous carbon monoxide levels build up, protecting your household. Quiet technology keeps the noise down to 64 decibels from 23 feet, so you barely notice it running. Dual fuel versatility lets you use gasoline or propane, and a full 6.1-gallon tank gives up to 15 hours of continuous power. One user shared, "During a winter storm, I ran the furnace, lights, and fridge for hours without stepping outside. Remote start is a lifesaver." Bonus tip: using propane not only extends storage, but also ensures cleaner operation over long outages. Champion's inverter technology delivers clean, stable electricity safe for sensitive electronics like computers, smartphones, and medical devices. Industry analysts applaud the combination of massive 11,000 watt output, quiet operation, and CO Shield safety, calling it a user-conscious engineering achievement. Home preparedness influencers rave about powering whole home systems, including central air and well pumps, without stress. Customers consistently report effortless operation. "We lost power for 3 days, and this generator kept our home running smoothly. CO Shield gave me peace of mind, even with snow blocking vents." Another shared, "Remote start worked perfectly from over 100 feet away, and propane made fuel management easy." Electrical engineers emphasize the 459 cubic centimeters Champion engine's reliable output, while home improvement experts love the quiet, neighbor-friendly performance. Which feature would save your day? Wireless remote start, dual fuel flexibility, or CO Shield safety? Comment below. Portability is simple thanks to the included wheel kit and fold-away handle, blending mobility with high-capacity power. Users also note the smooth integration with sensitive electronics and long runtime, making it perfect for outages, outdoor events, or job sites. Stop worrying about blackouts and outdoor power needs. Limited stock is available, so don't wait. The Champion 11,000 watt wireless remote start generator delivers clean, quiet, and safe electricity for your home or job site. Join thousands of homeowners and professionals who've upgraded to worry-free power. Click now to enjoy wireless convenience, dual fuel versatility, and CO Shield protection. Power outages no longer disrupt your life. Champion keeps your family safe, your appliances running, and your home comfortable.